Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed positive today, crossing the previous swing high which is here and also taking support at this trend line, these two trend lines in fact, and also 20 daily moving average. The momentum indicator is just about to give a buy signal, so the momentum should continue, the positive momentum should continue. We've had our Brevard strategy report where we had a target of around 6350 levels, and I think that would be achieved in next 1 week. So overall now the trend remains positive. Yesterday's low, which is 6079, will be a very crucial support for the markets. If we close above below those levels, then the medium term outlook as well as the short term outlook becomes negative. On the hourly charts, this triangular pattern has broken on the upside, the 5-wave rise on the upside. So overall trend is looking extremely good, taking support at the trend line and a very good setup to go long. There might be a small correction here, but that will be a buying opportunity again. The momentum indicator on the hourly charts is on the buy side, so things are looking good. Buy on declines would be the strategy. Bank Nifty has also closed very flat. They've actually closed very flat. But the momentum indicator on the daily chart is on the buy side. This wedgish kind of a pattern is looking a little negative to me at this point of time, but it has been forming higher tops, higher bottom. So the previous swing low will be a very crucial support going forward. Support would be around 10620 and 10400. Resistance would be around 11,450 and 11,600. Punj Lloyd is looking good. This inverted head and shoulder pattern has broken on the upside. The stock has taken support at the neckline here and started forming high tops, high bottom on the hourly charts. It is expected to move up till at least 34 levels in the medium term outlook. But in the short term, stop loss should be around 27 and target would be around 30 and 31.40. The second call is on TCS, taking support at 40 daily moving average at the lower end of this channel, looking good. ABC correction. Every time it comes to the 40 daily moving average, it starts moving up. So every correction would be a buying opportunity in TCS. The momentum indicator on the daily chart is just about to give a buy signal. So overall trend is looking extremely positive. Extremely good returns would be expected in next couple of months. Stop loss in the very short term would be around 2050 and target would be around 2175 and 2210. So overall friends, trend is positive. Expected target would be around 6338, which is the all-time high, and I'll be expecting this positive momentum to continue. The momentum indicator on the daily chart is just about to give a buy signal, so the strategy should be to buy on declines. Support would be around 6079, a very crucial support. If we close below that, then the short-term and medium-term outlook becomes negative. Thank you so much.